We are chasing the waterfall I visited a week ago. This time with my boys. Last time I was with some local friends of mine who live in Dehradun. So the waterfall is all the way up there and it's really crazy. It's really crazy. So I'm going to try to vlog it. I've been in Dehradun for a couple of days now and honestly I haven't felt like vlogging. That's why I didn't. Also I'm very sweaty and I don't think I'm looking really good. So let's hope I put this video out because it's going to be really fun. This trek is killing me. But the destination is worth it because I've been there. That's why I know it's worth it. Finally some sunlight. I've been looking so weird in these videos because it's usually very grey. But oh, the sun is going down again. It's going behind the mountains. But yeah, we have reached. This is the waterfall. We're gonna go down from here and walk all the way up to this point. Yes, we're gonna go in that water. Going all the way down to go all the way up. We're going down. It's really cold. The water is really cold. Sadly, the flow is really strong today. We can't swim all the way up there. And I know it's a bumper, but let's see. The flow is not going to get easier today, but let's see if we can get anywhere close to the waterfall. Just to give you a picture, I'll show how strong the flow is today. Let's go. I can't go any further than this. Yes. We are having so much fun. We could not go into the waterfall, but it was really great. You're probably not hearing this, but because the mic is all clogged up with water. But yeah, it's very nice. The sun is up, and I'm really cold. So we're going upwards. We found a couple of guys who told local guys who told us there's a really beautiful lake. So let's go and find out. This trek is obviously really tiring for us, especially for us who live in Delhi. It's a complete plain. So where am I showing you his ass? Yeah, see my face. Oh. This is the stream that becomes the waterfall we were at just a few moments ago. And it's crazy how nature works, man. It's really crazy. I'm always really fascinated wherever I go. And I always wonder how everything just fits into place. And the preciseness of this universe makes me wonder about a lot of things. So let's stop with the philosophical shit and try to find the lake.
यहाँ तो वहाँ से उतर के यहाँ से चल ले पानी को मेरे साथ तो पानी भी जाना ज़्यादा.
We are so proud of ourselves. Look at that blue water. We're just figuring out a way to go. It's gonna be a little tough because this is very steep. So I think we're gonna go there and walk all the way up there. Let's see. We found the way. We found the lake. It's so beautiful. Man, I'm so proud of myself right now. I'm so proud of myself right now. I should not be cursing in this video. I don't have enough followers to monetize my videos. But in case I do someday, if you guys help, I won't be cursing. Finally, finally, we had to stumble, we had to fall, but we are here and you're not. I'm sorry, I should not have said that. But man, this is one of the first discoveries of my life. And the water is so clear, it's so blue. I want to go inside, but I just dried myself. I think I'll go. What can I say? I'm a sucker for water. I'm gonna go inside.
Okay.
Yeah, always.
भाई बहुत अच्छे हैं कैसा टेस्ट है बताइयो टेस्ट कैसा लग रहा है
बकवास.
I'm just getting struck it.
वापस.
I'm just getting
वापस. आ गया crocodile, आ गया crocodile.